This will be my overall homeowner's review of the $189 Harbor Freight US General Green tool cart. As you can see here, just got our 1/4 inch socket set and snap-on 7.2 impact, 7.2 screwdriver, basic vice grips. Got the Quinn socket set, the Harbor Freight breaker bar. Of course, you got to have the Harbor Freight magnetic tray. Got my GB auto meter. Inside the drawers here, just got some basic hammers, Swedish pipe wrench, Craftsman wrench. Right here, got my pliers drawer, got my Menards side cutter set, along with my favorite Knipex. Middle drawer here. I got my gear wrench, my metric, my standard cheap Real King set. Got some offset wrenches from Amazon. Here I got a cheap impact set from TSC. Below it I got the pass-through Craftsman socket set, Menards impact set, cheap Real King set of metric and standard, regular and stubby wrenches. That just about does it. Pretty good toolbox for $189 at Harbor Freight. Thank you.